Hello everyone, this is Joan, and today I'm going to be showing you again for part 2 for the snowstorm in Calgary, March 3rd, 2013. Okay. 'Looks like it stopped snowing now. Okay. Yes. Six inches means 15 centimeters. Okay, right here, the fence stopped hit, so 15 inches, 38 centimeters. "16 inches, 41 centimeters. 16 and a half inches, 42 centimeters. 6.5 inches, between 16 and 17 centimeters. 7 inches, between 17 and 18 centimeters. 6.5, between 16 and 17 centimeters. 6 inches, 15 centimeters. 6 inches, 15 centimeters again. 8 inches, 20 centimeters. 9 inches, 23 centimeters. So it's actually 9 more at that. It's 9 inches equals what is it? 23 centimeters. "17 inches, 43 centimeters. 18 inches, 46 centimeters. 6.5 inches. That time is actually about 50 centimeters between. Okay, so right here, 6 inches equals to 15 centimeters on this table. 4 inches equals just 10 centimeters this side. 5 inches, 13 centimeters. Okay, right here. 14.5 inches equals to 37 centimeters. 7 inches equals to 17 centimeters. 7 inches again. Oh no, wait. Oh, when it said 7 inches, it's actually between 17 and 18 centimeters. So, right here. Away from this to here. So this one was how much again? 6 inches. And this is going to be 7 inches. 7 inches equals to between 17 and 18 centimeters. Yeah. Eight inches, 20 centimeters. Seven inches, between 17 and 18 centimeters. 7 inches again. That time it was 18 centimeters. 8 inches, 20 centimeters. Okay. Okay, so in the middle. 7 inches, 17 and 18, between 17 and 18 centimeters. So I think that's all. Okay, I'll do one last one. Okay, right here to here. 7 inches, again, between 17 and 18 centimeters. Okay. Right here. Between 5 and 6 inches, 14 centimeters. I think. Hi. I think that's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.